Snowy owls, with their striking white plumage and haunting yellow eyes, are among the most iconic and easily recognizable of all owl species. Native to the Arctic regions of North America and Eurasia, these majestic birds have adapted to some of the harshest conditions on the planet, embodying the beauty and resilience of the natural world. One of the most distinctive features of snowy owls is their white feathers, which provide excellent camouflage against the snow and ice of their Arctic habitat. This snowy white plumage is interspersed with varying degrees of black or brown markings, which can be more pronounced in females and juveniles than in adult males. Snowy owls are one of the largest species of owl, with a wingspan that can exceed 5 feet. This impressive size, coupled with their powerful talons and beak, makes them formidable hunters, capable of taking down prey as large as hares and even other birds. Unlike most owls, snowy owls are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. This adaptation allows them to take advantage of the continuous daylight of the Arctic summer, providing ample opportunity to hunt for food in the expansive tundra. The diet of snowy owls is primarily composed of small mammals, particularly lemmings. A single snowy owl can consume up to 1,600 lemmings in a year, highlighting the crucial role these rodents play in the owl's survival in the Arctic ecosystem. Snowy owls have an extraordinary ability to regulate their body temperature, allowing them to thrive in the extreme cold of the Arctic. Their dense plumage, heavily feathered legs, and feet act as natural insulation, keeping them warm in temperatures that can plummet well below freezing. The breeding season of snowy owls is closely tied to the abundance of prey, particularly lemmings. In years when lemmings are plentiful, snowy owls may lay a larger number of eggs, while in leaner years, they may not breed at all, demonstrating a remarkable adaptation to the boom and bust cycles of their prey populations. Snowy owls are known for their nomadic behavior, often traveling great distances in search of food. This nomadism can bring them south of their usual Arctic range, leading to occasional sightings in temperate regions, much to the delight of birdwatchers. The nesting habits of snowy owls are unique in that they nest on the ground, making shallow scrapes in the tundra soil or snow. This ground nesting behavior is a necessity in the treeless landscapes of their Arctic home, but also leaves their eggs and young vulnerable to predators. Snowy owls have excellent vision, adapted to the bright conditions of the Arctic. Their large eyes are adept at spotting prey over long distances, and a reflective layer behind the retina, called the tapetum lucidum, enhances their vision in low-light conditions, particularly during the Arctic winter. The silent flight of snowy owls, a common trait among owls, is facilitated by the soft fringes on the edges of their flight feathers. This adaptation allows them to approach their prey stealthily, an essential skill for a predator that hunts both day and night. Snowy owls communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including hoots, barks, and hisses. These sounds serve various purposes, from defending territory to attracting mates and signaling alarm. The plumage of snowy owls undergoes a seasonal change, with some individuals appearing whiter during the winter months and more heavily marked during the summer. This seasonal variation in plumage can help with camouflage, as well as signal the bird's age and breeding status. Snowy owls are solitary birds, with individuals often defending large territories that can span several square miles. This territorial behavior is particularly pronounced during the breeding season, when males aggressively defend their nesting sites from intruders. The eyes of snowy owls, like those of other owls, are fixed in their sockets, which means they must turn their heads to change their field of view. Snowy owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, allowing them to look in almost any direction without moving their bodies. The talons of snowy owls are covered in feathers, a unique adaptation among owls. This feathering not only provides additional insulation against the cold, but also helps to muffle the sound of their movements as they stalk their prey. Snowy owls are apex predators in their Arctic habitat, with few natural enemies. However, they can occasionally fall prey to larger raptors, such as golden eagles, or become entangled in conflicts with other snowy owls over territory. Conservation efforts for snowy owls focus on protecting their Arctic habitats from the impacts of climate change and human disturbance. As the Arctic undergoes rapid environmental changes, preserving the integrity of this ecosystem is crucial for the survival of snowy owls and countless other species. The migration patterns of snowy owls are not fully understood, with some individuals showing strong fidelity to their breeding sites, while others wander widely across continents. This variability in movement patterns is a subject of ongoing research and fascination among ornithologists. In many cultures, snowy owls are symbols of wisdom and endurance, revered for their ability to survive in the extreme conditions of the Arctic. Their ethereal beauty and mysterious nature continue to inspire stories, art, and folklore around the world. The study of snowy owls contributes valuable insights into the complexities of Arctic ecosystems and the broader impacts of climate change. By understanding the needs and behaviors of these magnificent birds, scientists and conservationists can develop more effective strategies for protecting them and their habitats. If you learned something from this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.